Hello everybody, hope you're fine. Today again I'm with you and I'm going to discuss Junior English book 2 page number 35 and today's topic is collective nouns. There are four types of nouns. These are proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Here today we have got one of them, that is collective nouns. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole, like crowd, mob, flock, herd, army, etc. Here we will get more also. So let's see what is written in this place. A number of sheep together is called a flock, what I told just before. A number of tools together is called a set. So let's see after that. A herd of cows, a litter of puppies, a galaxy of stars, a flock of sheep, a gang of thieves, a swarm of bees, a shoal of fish, a pair of shoes, a flight of steps, a bunch of grapes, a hand of bananas, a suit of clothes, a chest of dryers, a crowd of people, a pack of wolves, a pack of curs, a gaggle of geese, a set of tools, a host of angels. These are the examples of collective nouns. Now we will do some exercise, then this topic will be clearer for us. Let's do this. Here a number exercise, it's written, write the missing words. You will find them in the list above, means from this place you will do this. Let's start. First one, a dash of people. We know what will be here, a dash of people. Here see a crowd of people. We will write here what? Crowd. Next one, a dash of wolves. What we will write in this place? A pack of wolves. You can take help from this place. I am not taking, I am just writing here. You will match with me later. Here see a dash of grapes. What will be here? A dash of bunch of grapes. Phone number, a dash of shoes. What can we write? We can write a pair of shoes. 5 number, a dash of clothes. It's so easy, a suit of clothes. 6 number, a flight of what? A flight of steps. A chest of what? A chest of drawers. A shoal of what? A shoal of fish. A herd of cows. This is the last one from this exercise. 10 number, a flock of what? A flock of sheep. Now we will do B number exercise. See what is written here. Write the word that will fill each gap. A dash of steps led to the cabin. A flight of steps led to the cabin. 2 number, a dash of geese waddled across the yard. What can we write? We can write here a dash of geese. This is a gaggle of geese. A gaggle of geese waddled across the yard. Our milk comes from a dash of Jersey cows. What we can write? Cows, its collective noun is what? Herd. So here we can write herd. 4 number, a pack of dash went hunting in the forest. A pack of wolves went hunting in the forest. 5 number, a dash of fish swam past our boat. A what? A shoal of fish, because shoal is the collective noun of fish. 6 number, a dash of people gathered to welcome the prince. What will be here? A crowd. A crowd of people gathered to welcome the prince. 7 number. The clothes were kept in an old dash of drawers. What will be here? The clothes were kept in an old chest. Old chest of drawers. 8 number. She bought a new dash of shoes for the wedding. She brought a new what? New pair of shoes. Pair of shoes for the wedding. 9 number. Dad gave his old dash of clothes to a jumble sale. What we can write here? Dad gave his old suit of clothes to a jumble sale. 10 number. A dash of bees settled on Matthew's head and shoulders. What will be here? Bees, we know its collective noun is swarm, so we will write here swarm. It means a swarm of bees settled on Matthew's head and shoulders. So today we have done page number 35 from Junior English Book 2, and the topic is what? The topic is collective nouns. This is so important topic. You will find it several times in your writing, reading, listening and speaking. So practice it at your home. Next day we will do page number 36, and there we will find a topic that is Tom Thumb. Bye for today.